ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ PYQs ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟೈಪ್ 1 ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಟಿಲ್ ಡೇಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಗಾರ್ಡನರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 1000 plants. He wants to plant them in such a way that number of rows, number of columns remains same. What is the minimum number of plants that he needs more for this purpose? ನೋಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 rows ಇದ್ರೆ 2 columns ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 2 into 2 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. 4 2 into 2 ಬರೀಬಹುದು 9 3 into 3 16 4 into 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1000 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ 30 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 900, 31 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 900 ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 32 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಈಗ 32 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 9 ಇದೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 09. 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೈಟ್ 04. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಡಿ. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 4 2 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 32 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1024. 1024 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? 32 into 32. 32 ರೋಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 32 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1024 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ 1000 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1024 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 more plants needed, so that number of rows will be equal to number of columns. That is option B, 24 is the correct answer. Next question. A person standing on the first step from the bottom of the ladder, ಅಂದ್ರೆ bottom of the ladder ನ first step ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is first step, bottom of the ladder. If he has to climb 4 more steps to reach exactly the middle step, how many steps does the ladder have? First step is the bottom. 4 more steps means 1 plus 4. Fifth step is the middle step. If fifth step is the middle step, below this 4 steps, above this 4 steps, how many steps does the ladder have? 4 plus 1 plus 4. That is 9 steps. Option B, 9 is the correct answer. Next question. This is Q by P. Consider the following statements in respect of two natural numbers P and Q such that P is a prime number, Q is a composite number. First one, listen here. There is a word keyword that is can be. Can be ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, 1 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ 1 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. P into Q can be odd number. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್, Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೋಸೈಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 multiplied with even number, answer will be always even. 2 multiplied with any odd number, answer will be always even. Therefore 2 multiplied with any number, answer will be always even number. So that if I take prime p as 2, composite 2 fours are anything 8, but it can be odd number such that you take values. Therefore, if you take p, always definitely answer will be even. So don't take p as 2. Take odd number, odd prime number 3, q. Q is composite, that is I will take 7 is prime. If I take 8, it is composite. If I take 9, 9 is composite. 3 nines are 27. 3 is prime, composite. 9 is composite, and answer 27 is odd number. Yes, correct. Statement 1 is correct. Come for statement 2. Q by P can be prime. Q is composite. I will take 15. P is prime. I will take 3. 15 by 3. 5. Yes, 5 is a prime number. You can take any random values because it is can be. So then last statement, P plus Q can be prime number. P plus Q, it can be prime number means you know P is prime, Q is composite, answer should be prime. So if I take prime P as 2, 2 is the only one prime number. Q, if I take 2 plus 4, 8. So 8 is not prime. Don't take P as 2. Otherwise, if you take P as 2, Q as 6, it is not prime. Q, if you take 9, 2 plus 9, 11. Yes, 11 is a prime. So that 2 is prime, 9 is composite, answer is prime. So all statements are correct. So option D, 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Next question. A, B, C and D, E, F are both 3-digit numbers such that A, B, C, D, E, F are distinct digits such that A, B, C plus D, E, F is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. Then find the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. This was asked in CSAT 2023, and listen carefully. And they are telling it is distinct non-zero. This keyword is missing. You can take down. It is in question paper. It is distinct non-zero. Distinct non-zero means 1, 2, 3 till 9. Here it should be 1 means it may be 0 plus 1, 1 or 1 plus 0 because they are telling non-zero. It should be non-zero. So 0 can't be. If it is 1 here, you should think that carry 1 is there because add C plus F. Unit digit is 1 means you can take C as 6, F as 5. 6 plus 5, 11. You can take 5 plus 6 also or 8 plus 3, 3 plus 8, anything. 11 means what? 1 carry will go here, 1 will remain here. Then B plus E plus 1 should be here. 1 is there means 0 should not come. Means what? B plus E should be equal to 10. 10 plus carry, that is 1, 11. 1 carry will go. And listen carefully, B plus E 10 means you can take 6 plus 4. All are distinct. Already you have taken 6. Don't take 6 plus 4. Then you can take 7 plus 3. You can take 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7, anything. B value 7, E value 3. And then A plus D should be equal to 10. Then you can take 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2, anything. A value 8, D value 2. They are not asking individually the values of A, B, C, D, F. They are just asking their sum. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. A is 8, B 7, C 6, D 2, E 3, F 5. 8 plus 7, 15, plus 6, 21, plus 2, 23, plus 3, 26, plus 5, 31 is the correct answer. Next question. Actually, this question is related to E1 plus E1, E1 minus E1, odd plus odd. That one, if you know, you can solve easily. Nodi, 3 of the 5 positive integers P, Q, R, S, T are E1, 3 are E1, and 2 of them are odd. Consider the following. First one is P plus Q plus R minus S minus T is definitely. There is a keyword definitely. Definitely means 100 condition ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು 100 condition pass ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. 2P plus Q plus 2R minus 2S plus T is definitely odd ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Which one of the above statements is are correct? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ನಾನು rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ P plus Q plus R minus ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ S plus T ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. 3 should be E1. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ E1, 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 E1 ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ E1 plus E1 plus E1 is E1 minus odd plus odd minus odd, that is also E1, E1 minus E1, that is E1 itself. And odd plus odd ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು E1 plus E1 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 1 E1 ಹೊರಗಡೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 2 ಆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You know odd plus odd is E1, E1 plus E1, E1, E1 plus E1, E1 only, E1 minus E1, that is E1 only. And ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಎರಡು E1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು E1 ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, E1 plus ಆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ E1 ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು E1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎರಡು E1, ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಡ್, E1 plus E1, that is E1 plus odd minus E1 plus odd, that is 2 plus 3 5, that is odd. E1 plus odd is odd, odd minus odd, that is E1. ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಏನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ is definitely E1 itself. So that is definitely E1, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ 2 ಕಾಮನ್, ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ದ P plus R minus S plus Q plus T. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ 2 multiplied by anything, answer will be always E1 itself. So this is E1. ನಾನು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಡ್ is E1. E1 plus E1 is E1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದಾಗಲೇ ನಂಗೆ E1 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ 2 multiplied by anything, answer will be always E1. Next one, a 3-digit number ABC on multiplication with D gives 37DD, where A, B, C, D are different non-zero digits, means different or distinct. Non-zero digits means it is from 1, 2, 3 till 9. You should find the value of A plus B plus C. Take ABC is a 3-digit number, let it be X. If you rearrange, it will be 37 DD by D. Take value for D. You know all are distinct. So that I will take D as 1. If you take D as 1, 3711 by 1, it is 3711. It is equal to X. X is 3-digit number, but 3711 is 4-digit number. D can't be 1. If you take D as 2, 3722 by 2, once again 4-digit number, it can't be 2. If you take D as 3, 3033 by 3, once again 4-digit number. If you take D as 4, 3744 by 4, 4 9s are 36, 14, 4 3s are 12, 24, 4 6 are. X is 3-digit, yes, 936 is 3-digit. X is equal to ABC. A means 9, B means 3, C means 6. You should find the value of A plus B plus C. That is 9 plus 3, 12, plus 6, 18. Answer is 18. That is option A. 18 is the correct answer. Next question. If P, Q, R and S are distinct single digit positive numbers, distinct single digit, they didn't mention about non-zero, it may be from 0, 0, 1, 2 till 9. Then what is the greatest value of P plus Q? Then what is the greatest value? They're asking greatest value. P plus Q into R plus S. ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಪಿ 0 to 9 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ 9, 8, 7, 6 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂಗೆ 9 plus 8 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 7 plus 6 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಥವಾ 9 plus 8, 9 plus 7 ಸಹ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 8 plus 6. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು 9 ಜೊತೆ 8 ಆಯಿತು, 9 ಜೊತೆ 7 ಆಯಿತು, 9 ಜೊತೆ 6 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 7 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17, 7 plus 6, 13. ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. 13 7s are 91, 9 carry, 13 1s are 13 plus 9, 22, 2 21. ಬಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. 9 plus 7, 16, 8 plus 6, 14. ಸೊ 16 ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. 16 4s are 64, 6 carry, 16 1s are 16 plus 6, 22, 2 24. ಅದು ಸಹ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9 plus 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15, 7 plus 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15. You should know the square numbers. That is 15 square is 225 and option is option B. 225 is the correct answer. Okay, we'll see the next question. What is the number of 5s used in numbering a 260 page book? So that number of 5s are any digits from 1 to 9 in the range 1 to 100. How many times it will appear means in unit digit 10 times, in tens digit 10 times. So first we will split the range. 260 page book means 1 to 100, 101 to 200, 201 to 260. First you split, and then already I have told any digits 1 to 9, how many times it will appear in unit digit means 10 times, in tens digit 10 times. Therefore 1 to 100, tens digit, unit digit, that is 10 times. Here also 10 times. Same, here also 10, here also 10. But here it is not, the range is not 201 to 300. So the 201 to 260, tens digit, where 5 will come? Here number of 5s. So where 5 will come means it will start from 250 and ends in 259. 250 to 259 means you should not tell 9 numbers because it is starting from 0. Means if it is starting from 0, for the last digit add 1, that is 9 plus 1, 10 numbers, and unit digit 201 to 260, unit digit, that is 205, 215, 225, 235, 245, 255. So 6 numbers. So when you add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 6, 56. How many 5s are there means 56 5s are there in this 260 page book. Okay, we'll see the next question. If the sum of the 2-digit numbers A, B, and they're telling sum, and CD is equal to 3-digit number 1CE, 1CE, where the letters A, B, C, D, E denote distinct digits. Distinct digits means it may be from 0 till 9. They didn't give non-zero, so you can take 0. And then you should find the value of A. Carefully observe, they're asking the value of A, right? So A plus C is equal to 1C. In the representation of a number, you should know AB. How you will write? The place value is 10, place value is 1. So you will write it as 10A plus B. Same here 1C, you will write it as 10 into 1 plus 1C. And then CC cancel, A is equal to 10. But they are telling all are distinct digits. So A value can't be 10. Because if you take A as 10, A is distinct, one digit, B also one digit only. A value can't be 10. So what you should do, you should take carry. You should take carry 1. So that A plus C plus 1. A plus C plus 1. C cancel. 10 minus 1, that is 9. The value of A is 9. You should consider carry. This is carry concept. If carry is not there, the value of A will be 10. It can't be possible because A is a single digit number. And therefore, the value of A is 9. Option A is the correct answer. They have asked in the recent paper, that is in 2024. We'll see the next question. Consider the following statements in respect of the sum. S is equal to x plus y plus z, where x, y, z are distinct prime numbers, each less than 10. First, write the prime numbers less than 10. One is neither prime nor composite, starting from 2. 2 is the only even prime number. 3, 5, 7. So that less than 10. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers less than 10. And see the statements. And you should observe the keyword can be. Already I have told 100 conditions. If they give 100 conditions, if one condition is true also, this statement holds good. And see the statement 1. The unit digit of S can be 0. Choose any 3 numbers such that unit digit should be 0. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10. Yes, unit digit can be 0. First statement is correct. The unit digit of S can be 9. Choose any randomly 3 numbers such that unit digit should be 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, it is 15. Unit digit is not 9. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, it can't be. 12 plus 2, 14. Such that if you take any 3 random numbers, unit digit can't be 9. So 100 condition also, if you take 100 condition also, it holds false. So that statement 2 is false. The unit digit of S can be 5. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. It can't be. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. You can take 3 numbers. Second statement is wrong. Third one, you can take 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Yes, unit digit can be 5. Therefore, statement 3 is correct. Which one of the following statements given above are correct? That is 1 and 3 only. We'll see the next question. A question given followed by two statements, 1 and 2. Consider the question and the statements. Already we know this is called as data sufficiency questions. These are called as data sufficiency questions. Question is, you should find the value of m and n, where m and n are natural numbers. You know the definition of natural numbers, that is counting numbers starting from 1 till infinity. This is called as natural numbers. And statement 1, they are giving that m plus n greater than mn and m greater than n. Here there is only equality symbol. By this you can't tell the value of m and n. So that statement 1 is not sufficient. Let us see statement 2. The product of m and n is 24. Product of m and n is 24. If you write like this, the possible factors, the possible values for m and n is, it can be 6 4s are 24. It can be 12 2s are 24. So that so many values are there, and which one of the following is correct in respect? If you take m as 6, n as 4, but statement 1 they are telling m plus n should be greater than mn. You can take m as 6, n as 4, or you can take m as 12, n as 2. So that if you see statement 1, this condition should hold good. M plus n. If I take m as 6, and it can be 24 ones are 24. This can also be possible. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 greater than mn. Mn means 24. No. 10 is not greater than 24. So that m value can't be 6. N value can't be 4. Check for this. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is not greater than 24. So m can't be 12. N can't be 2. Finally, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25. Whether 25 is greater than 24? Yes, it is correct. Therefore, m value is 24. N value is 1. You got this by combining. You got the answer. The value of m is finally 24. N value 1. How you got means you combined both the statements and you got the answer as m value 24 and n value as 1. So option C, the question can be answered by using both the statements together, but cannot be answered by using either statement alone. So option C is the correct answer. They have asked in the recent paper, that is in 2024. Okay, we'll see the next question. A question is given followed by two statements, 1 and 2. Consider the question and the statements. This is related to data sufficiency. Every year they will ask 8 questions related to this topic. So that, what is the question? There are 3 distinct prime numbers whose sum is also a prime number. What are those 3 numbers? That is a question. Statement 1, their sum is less than 23. Statement 1, sum is less than 23, and there are 3 distinct prime numbers. Assume a, b, c, a plus b plus c, and their sum is also a prime number. If I take all 3 numbers as prime, except 2, all other prime numbers are odd. If I take all as odd, odd plus odd is even, even plus odd, that is 2 plus 3, 5, that is odd. Means what? You should take all as odd numbers, then their sum should be less than 23, they are telling. So that less than 23, first you tell the prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So these are all the prime numbers less than 23. Now you take randomly any 3 numbers. If you take randomly any 3 numbers, sum should be less than 23. That should be prime also. I will take 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. But 10 is not a prime number. If you take 2 plus 3 plus 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12. If you are taking one even number, you are getting answer as even. So don't take 2. Don't consider 2. Start from 3. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. But 15 is not a prime number. Then 3 plus 5 plus 11. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 11. That is 8 plus 11 is 19. Yes, 19 is a prime number. Then 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 is not a prime number. So next, if you take 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 17. 17 plus 8, if you do, answer will be 25. Sum should be less than 23. It violates. 25 is not a prime number. So that you got 3 prime numbers, that is 3 comma 5 comma 11 by statement 1 itself. Let us see statement 2. One of the numbers is 5. One of the numbers is 5. Yes, already here we got. It may be 3 plus 5 plus 11. Yes, 19 is a prime. Sum should be prime. If you observe the question, you will get. And then one of the numbers should be 5. So keep 5. And then if you take 7, 5 plus 7, that is 12. And you can take, if you take 11, 12 plus 11, 23. Yes, 23 is a prime number. 5 plus 7, 12. If you take, already you have taken 11. If you take 13, 12 plus 13, 25. Don't take 13. If you take 17, 12 plus 17, that is 29. Yes, 29 is a prime number. They are telling 5 is one of the number. Means you will get so many combinations. So by this statement, you can't get which are the 3 prime numbers. So that answer is, by using statement 1, you are able to say which are those 3 prime numbers. That is 3, 5 and 11. Statement 2, just they are giving 5 is one of the number. By this, we will get multiple combinations. So statement 1 is enough to answer the question. The question can be answered by using one of the statements alone, but cannot be answered using the other statement alone. These are all the basic questions. This is type 1. Type 2, that is summation, we will study in next class. Thank you all.